Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In this video, I will be guiding you through how to change name in Sims Mobile. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, make sure that you've open your Sims Mobile application on your device. Once you've done that, from the main homepage, go ahead and tap on the white arrow button appearing on the right hand corner of the screen. Make sure that you're inside the settings tab, and once you are, scroll down and tap on change player's name. Enter the new name for your player and tap on OK. And that is how you can easily change the player's name on Sims Mobile. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.